welcome back. So today I'm here with Bestlacewigs again, same packaging as last time. So let's see what we got. So I got like this information pamphlet as usual, you know, this list like hair care, all those stuff, you know, the social media, all those stuff. And then we got the wig, but before we get to that, let's see what else we got. I have a wig cap here and a rat tail comb. That's all that came in today's package. Not a lot. So this is a wig. Remember, it's the summer streak series. So today we're going straight. So I show you guys body wave so far, I show you curly so far, and today we're going straight and long. This is 18 inches long. It's 150% in density. It's silky straight, and it really does feel silky. Oh my gosh, I can't imagine how butter-like this is going to be after I straighten it. And yes, a label comes on the lace portion. This is like a 13x6 parting. This is so nice. It has like a total of 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back. Okay, I can't wait to go ahead and get this in a nice sleek bone straight install. Yes, absolutely no shedding, but you know, over time it will shed. It's normal, completely normal. Yeah, so that's how the wig's looking. Let's go ahead and jump into installing.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, oh, oh. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet spice. Yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be.
Girl, that booty ain't wine for me. Girl, the young girl won't die for me. She have to die for me, yeah, yeah. Bounce your.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see.
no baby hairs because the hairline is nice and I just want that super sleek look, you know, clean makeup, you know, sun-kissed, and just like straight, butter straight hair. So I'm gonna use my flat iron to just run through this. It was so easy to install too, like so easy. Really wasn't any hassle in terms of doing the no baby hair look. Just the sideburns, you really don't have to even do that, but I felt like doing it. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and
made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, 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 oh. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know what you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet spice. Yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. Feel the devotion.
I'm all done with straightening the hair. It's so light, so manageable. It was really easy to straighten. Sleek, definitely what I was going for. Minimal flyaways. Like, can you see any flyaways? And it's so flowy. Oh my gosh, I gave it that little 90s layered vibe. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, also the direct link where you can go ahead and shop this. Yeah guys, but that's pretty much it for today's hair look, today's summer streak series episode. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. I hope you find yourself, you know, that streaked wig that you're looking for this summer, because it's definitely the trend, it's the vibe, and it's popping, you know. Yeah, so that's it for today. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Go ahead and follow my vlog channel at PETITE-SUE TV. And yeah, just keep on supporting your girl. More videos coming, you know. I'm very regular with my uploads. I'm very consistent. Yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just want to make up on yourself. Bye.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire